guys, let's just unpack on the Mummy Club season 3 episode 4. Hayibo mama. Hayibo, instead of building each other, they're busy trashing, and they just trashing one person, ganging up on this girl wabantu. Babhizi naye, just because they don't understand it. And Mfilanjutu Pelati is leading this, and other ones are just two-faced. Yabona Jabu Sand, two-faced for days. I'm just like, every time on, but good reunion, you couldn't even speak. You walked off crying. So big to list. Really? This is who you've become now. Instead of building each other and speaking nice things about each other, they're just speaking ill about each other. As boyfriend bang bora like you've never seen at some stage. I was just like, you know what, I review Mummy Club. Actually, I'm done. Ngatel. Comment abanje because you cannot khuzani. Actually, just shut this down and start all over again. Ayikho lento esiyilolo yela. Uphela de ufuna ukuzwa into afuna ukizwa. When utsuthe ukhuluma kabi lo sisi lo omunye uNox. Bebhizi bembizule bumathosa. She's like, I mean, I'm taking it as a compliment. Matosa was an icon, guys. Hayibo, kodwa mina mangisho into umuntu akakwazi ukuyithatha, and it's not even serious things ukuthi ungazi that's not even petty, guys. Those people are beyond. Upheladi nje yena takes everything out of proportion and takes stuff to other places. Ungiyibuza ukuthi manje lento lesifike nayo la, and then ahlanganise izinto. I'm just like, what is hard for her not to take everything to heart? And really, it's so unnecessary for Peladi to be so mean. Uyabona ukuthi uNox uzowathi no, she's a child and she comes from a dark place. I believe that. There's no way you ngaba so, guys, and be in a reality show. Okay. So basically, these ladies are actually bullies, like I said on episode 3. With Upheladi being the ringleader now, and then Uya recruiter the other ladies. Atlobar, no, guys, it's not about liking a mother saying those things about someone's mother just because they vele umntana no vele ngegezwe emncane. But I mean, indoda yakhe ithini lababhizi just because ushade nomlungu. Guys, who even says things like that? A whole mother okade shadile one ex-husband ehlala nezingane zakhe. Guys, now I was just very disappointed. And it's not just me. I've seen people be complaining because in Mummy Club is figuring but they're holding hands. I'm like, Useti, how so you were holding hands with her just because you're holding hands with her Peladi just because you were doing it for the camera. And they like putting words in her mouth. In Nox's mouth, like who even does that? I'm first. Yeah, you are this person. Guys, please, she's not that person that you think she is. Just because when you don't understand it doesn't mean this is the person that she is. They just misunderstand her all the time, and I really don't get it. What's hard? And I find that Uhappy being sort of like a ringleader now that Mrs. Mops is not there, she's busy ringing futhi uNoxi uhleba novuyo. I like it, she's acting like a victim. She doesn't really act like a victim. How can you act abantu bebhizi bonke bekuntingela all of them in one go? Like, what must you do? They actually had a nice day, all of them, right? Ujabu uhambe no Ujabu Sand went with Mrs. J, had a nice massage, but they didn't really say about anyone. They didn't really say anything until Unoxi afonele Mrs. J. I think to Mrs. J, you don't understand that. And also Mrs. J, how she reacts and how she behaves and how she carries herself. It's because I need to traditional healer. There's certain standards there. There's certain ways. You cannot be trashing people who like, I mean, who are you? So Nox was like, Mrs. J, you understand. Unlike the other ladies. So she was speaking to her, she would say, in some bath, or should I say jacuzzi there. The next thing, umuntu ngiyambuza nje imbuzo ukuthi unjani ufila wangithatha umuntu. That's when Nox was like, lo udak, I can't. She's just a mean girl. And then fanele manje azothengisa ngayo ku these ladies. Ake morato ngonyana. So all of us now, we mustn't like Noxie. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. Can we understand Noxie first? They can't resolve anything. It's like, what are we even doing as women? Busy trashing like each other, but we're not helping each other. Hey, we're not building. Not like at the end of the day, this episode there was nothing in it. I'm just like, what is she even doing? Why is she even there? Why are they even continuing with Mami Club? And I'm sure about complaining about, but enjoy guys. Speaking even on this episode, Peladi continued to say stuff about Nox being married to Umlungu. Shading and shady. Like, why? You acting like a bitter woman. Like I said last week, guys, Peladi has been with prominent businessmen, real people who have real money. I don't understand why AJ. I was just like, I was to say, what's even going on with you? You've seen things in life. What is the problem? She has been exposed to better things in life. That's what I wanted to say. But I'm going to what is this bitterness? Where is it coming from? And then Banalendo Yogutu Noxie does not take accountability. But she does actually. She does. I've apologized so many times. And genuinely so for that matter. But you know those type of people. Oh no mungathini. Umuntu okhonzekelalela uzogcina mina. In fact, uzozwa ngami. And then in the bath yabo while they were sipping champagne, uHappy nomngane wakhe uVuyile, they did speak about their men. Wakhuluma-ke nje uHappy ukuthi hayi ku-social media indoda yakhe yena she wants to mourn her man. People must stop saying hayi soka wayehamba nesifebe in the car or say pants. You understand? And then she's like, she also wants to speak to the sisters. So the sisters who was in the car with her husband when the husband passed, she wants to speak to her so that ezomtshela ukuthi the final minutes zendoda yakhe, what was going on there in that car. I'm like, hayibo sisi nawe, fine, you need closure and all, but ufikeni lapho just like and then she's like, she wants to speak to Vuyo ngoba ne first husband kaVuyo naye yashona kanjalo. I was like, naye she was with Emma Quapens in the car. Oh, guys, it's a lot. It's too much. So all in all, Happy, all she was saying, ukuthi abantu abamiyekele, can she mourn her husband ngendlela yakhe ukuthi washonele ebufebeni has nothing to do with anyone. People must just leave her alone. I agree. Ngoba guys, now she went through some stuff. But manje trashing her on social media, so siyakele nane ndoda yakhe yafa ifeba. No, but I mean, at the end of the day, finally ayekelwe to mourn and find closure. Her own way. I think she must just do it. Although I feel there's no need for that. She has nothing to do with the sisters. Finally concentrate into the that's all. Moving forward in her life to find healing. That's what she must do. uVuyo uvale ngokuthi nje yena ubesacela ukuthi ke noma ngasesona ke isithembu per se, but ama-fights around women they must finish. It mustn't feel like bayachitha, you understand? Fanele kuzwaniwe. Angazi leyo idependa ngabantu, guys. I mean, I cannot even dwell on that one. You know what I liked about Noxie when she was explaining her story to Mrs. J? When your sisters is not willing to listen to her, she was like, you know what? Get offended. Iba offended. And then, what must happen now? And some stage she felt ukuthi usezovela shawo ilo sisilo waseMamelodi. Usisters ilo. Usephuma silo basically. Usofuna ukumshaya. I was just like, even now, you're taking it too far now. Ngapha uJabu angithi ayisaid ukuthi u2-faced uJabu Sandi usethi manje enewathi oarithaka hire na monster spook. Guys, you couldn't show us that ghost when you were at the reunion. You cried the whole reunion, bruh. Even namanja just feel ukuthi I said on my first episode this time on season 3 ukuthi usisters uJabu Sandi ngifeel ukuthi ngathi confidence. Actually she doesn't. She's worse now. I'm just like, Sissy, please calm down. Uthini manje? Uthi xa umuntu spoke wakithakayo. Ungenaphi manje? Recruit uPeladi. Guys, women do things like that, and those things are like so crazy. This is why most people end up alone. As umuntu anginabangani. nalento le yokuthi azothi uPhiladi uNoksi is delusional, like guys, ufika nini lapho wena right when busy nje throwing names, throwing, like those are crazy things, guys. Don't do that. Like uloku utshela umntana abantu ukuthi manje siyahlanya. No guys, when you right just because when I understand yonke into vele in life, like really. And I just feel ukuthi uHappy uyayidayisa le ngane yabantu uNoksi, akamsizi nganext ngoba like I'm saying ukuthi she is a leader, yeah. She must amkhulumele, and uthe sebemtresha when she left the table wathi lalela, I'm done, I'm tired of you, and then she left. Wayohlala phansi uweza uHappy, that wasn't genuine. I also saw it. Washo uNoksi ukuthi lo akekho genuine, uzozalana uzozenza. She is also two-faced nayo besethe nganeni arrogant in manje bavele bayingenelele bonke, akekho mangabe uMrs J actually athi uyayisiza ingane athi Philadi. So mina ke ama feelings they are invalid. I mean, guys, it can't be about you every time. Can you just speak about uNoksi and finish? What is the problem here? Konke logo akuzange bazibakuzwe because they don't listen to those ladies. At the end of the day, Mrs. Sunday is buying a face cigar Philadi uyixoxe. That's all. Uyayazi nale ngane bathi uNoksi avikhuluma. Yathi on the side, listen here. Mina, I did not divorce my husband and got 0 rands. Angeke lo. Ahlukane namphansi. At some stage ingane ithi yakhuluma. Ara wena did imali? Hayibo guys, who even speak to a grown woman like that, and then I must just leave you. Ukhuluma nami kanjalo. Did imali nathula. I can't stand people who do that. Like, why would you do that? Kube seyitholile ichance okhuluma uNoksi, but I feel ukuthi it wasn't enough. So she was just nje adding what she did imali nathula. Like, please guys. Yeah, guys, ngifuna ukuma lapho kancane ngokuthi it wasn't nice this episode, and I just feel ukuthi as women we need to support each other. I saw other things there that I didn't want to see, and I was just like, you know what, like I'm saying, good. That's why abanye abantu be end up ufile umuntu engathi uyilona ngoba uhleze ngene ezintweni. You don't want to be arguing with people that don't get you. So ngigcina lapho guys ngokuthi uHappy uyekile lento escalator, and uyena kahle leyo befanele ayenze. Instead she was poop drunk there. Akakwazanga ukuthi akwazi asolve lento lena, uloku eyohakana noNoksi for nothing. There was nothing there. It wasn't genuine. uNoksi ushile nawe wathi nje lo please kwasayena in this with these women. Ucabanga ukuthi uzobukisa ngami, and that's not nice, guys. Yeah, hopefully on episode 5 things are gonna change. Abantu bazokhulumisana kahle. Uskari akerati ngwanyano, people are not there to be loved by you. Yeah, khona nje abantu abanganjani abafila ukuthi angidingi uthando lakho like that. I'm in a show and that's it. I was called in the show, and uNoksi wafika ngoHappy la. Well, she was trying to sell her house, so she must treat her well. So and lapho guys, I love you so much. I appreciate you, this channel. Like I said, guys, the love is just overwhelming me. I even blush some days. I'm just like, so much love. Thank you so much, guys. Nam over.